Cinema theater at your home. Like seriously, who doesn't want to have that, right? At some or the other point, everybody wishes to have a projector at your home. And if you people are also looking for something like that, you guys came to the right video. Today in the house, we have a brand new projector from Zebronics, guys. It's their all new Pixaplay 18, just launched in the Indian market and actually packs some pretty interesting features at a reasonable price point. First of all, it's like a native 1080p resolution smart projector. That means you're getting Android operating system on board, Google Play Store, YouTube, Netflix, everything comes pre-installed on this thing. You're also having like Dolby powered speakers on this thing, and also has like electronic focus system, 200 inches massive screen size support, and a lot of other features. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Our brand new Pixaplay 18 from Zebronics came in this sort of packaging, very big packaging, guys, and on the front you've got the Zebronics logo. Pixaplay 18 is the model and mentions all of its main highlights and features. I'll be talking about all of these as and how we proceed in the video. Now without wasting any more time, let's quickly open the package and check out the projector. So as soon as you open it, we've got the brand new model at the top. I believe it's only available in one color, guys, which is like silver sort of finish, and it's actually quite big in size. Look at this, very nicely packed over here. And these are all the accessories we got in the package. And boys, there you go, our very first look at the Pixaplay 18. Oh my god, it's actually like quite big in size, guys, not your regular looking projector at all. Keeping that aside, you get a remote control for the same. Good quality remote, matte sort of finishing, lots of buttons on it, and runs on 2 AAA batteries. You also get 2 cables as well, mains cord, and also a free HDMI cable is also included. And lastly, a projector cleaning kit is also there. So that's it, these are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you like a closer look and talk about design and build quality. Pixaplay 18 is a 1080p smart Android projector, guys, and doesn't look like your regular traditional looking styles, vertical sort of projector, guys. So on the front you've got the Zebronics logo, and just above that you have the projector lens. It's a native 1080p resolution projector, right? And look at the quality of the lens as well, very nice, multi-coated it seems. And above that you also have like a sensor, I believe IR sensor for the remote. And good thing is it has like electronic focus system, no manual rings anywhere. Build quality of the product is also very good, entirely made of polycarbonate material in a two-tone sort of finish. Lower half is actually covered in a fabric sort of finish, and I believe that is where you've got the speakers. There's nothing on the left and right. And look at this, we also have a strap over here, so you can actually hold it, carry it anywhere very easily, guys. Quite convenient, I would say. You got some connectivity ports here which include a mains cord for the power, USB port, HDMI is also there, and a 3.5mm audio jack is also available. On the bottom there's actually a large cutout with a built-in fan to keep this projector running cool on a long-term usage. Going to the top, you got the Pixaplay 18 branding, says Dolby powered speakers on board, and a power button also. Look at this chrome finishing on the power button. Zebronics has definitely given a lot of detail to the design. Very nice build quality and premium look and feel. You've got rubber foot pads on the bottom, and that is it, guys, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. I'll just quickly set it up and be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. Our projector is all set up and good to go. And first let's talk about the setup part. Very easy to set it up, guys. Simply place it on any sort of flat surface and that's it, you're all good to go. And you can even invertedly ceiling mount it to the roof as well. That option is also there. And if you talk about the home screen, here's how the home screen looks like. First of all, let me tell you, this is a smart Android projector, runs on Android version 9. But do keep in mind, it's not like officially Android TV certified, guys. It comes with like a custom Android operating system on board. And here's how the home screen looks like. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the home screen and talk about all of its apps, features, and basically the settings as well. Very simple sort of user interface. At the top you have a status panel with a couple of direct shortcuts for settings, and on the home screen you have a lot of recommended section with a lot of different videos, guys, from different sources and apps depending on type of content that you keep watching, and this also keeps updating as per your taste and personalization. Going down you have a featured apps section which basically has like apps made for TV operating system, which include YouTube, Netflix, and a couple of stuff you can download as per your requirement. But apart from that, yes, you do have like a Google Play Store also on board, from where you can download lots of apps and games as per your requirement. And apart from that, if you talk about the built-in apps, yes, you're getting Google Chrome over here. Wireless casting is there for both Android and iOS. Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, all of these came pre-installed out of the box. I didn't need to do anything. So what I'll do is I'll quickly show you the general system settings also, and then we'll head into these applications and talk about the picture quality. So these are your available settings. First of all, you're getting Wi-Fi settings to connect Wi-Fi. It supports both 2.4G and 5 GHz band, so that's a good thing. And apart from that, Bluetooth 5.0 support is also there. You can connect stuff like game pads or maybe like external Bluetooth speakers to enhance your overall entertainment experience. And in the projection settings, you can change the projection mode to inverted mode. Keystone correction is there, both horizontal and vertical. Digital zoom function is also available. And lastly, you have some general settings which include like power, standby, this sort of stuff. And in the about section, you can check out the Android system version, which is Android version 9. Since it has like an HDMI port, right, you can easily connect your Amazon Fire TV stick or maybe like a Mi TV stick and completely transform the whole UI, home screen, and also the operating system experience. Before moving on and talking about the projector's picture quality and also about the built-in speaker quality, I'll just quickly play some videos on YouTube or maybe on any other sources. Just have a look with these samples, guys, and then we'll discuss about the picture and also the audio quality. It's been a month since I bought my brand new XUV 700. आज आपका भाई इसका रिव्यू देगा। यार जान है, शान है, प्यार करता हूँ इससे। यही था मेरा Valentine 14th को। A lot of people have been asking me in the comment section, Vimal भाई, it's been more than a month, right? Share your experience about the car. कैसा है new XUV 700? And that is what I'll be doing in this video. So you guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now let me share you my experience. And first of all, talking about the picture quality, it's a native 1080p resolution smart Android projector, right? And supports a maximum screen size of up to 200 inches. But I've been using it mostly around like 150, 160 inches, guys. And I felt that was like the sweet spot, guys. It was covering my entire wall area over here and was giving like crisp and clear sort of detail. And talking about the focusing system, that is actually quite interesting over here, because unlike the manual focusing system, on this particular model you're getting electronic focus system. That means there's a built-in motor, and using your remote you can actually focus the projector, guys, wirelessly. You have two buttons on the remote, forward and backward focus system, and simply press on that and you can electronically adjust the focusing. I really wish it had like an autofocus system, but that was not there. But still, electronic focus is like much better than your manual focus system. And now talking about the 4D keystone corrections and corner to corner focus. So yes, it has keystone correction as well, and you can easily do that manually from the settings. And talking about the corner to corner sharpness, that was pretty good. So you have seen a lot of budget sort of projectors, right? What happens is when you're using those projectors, the central portion of the image looks like pretty sharp, but as and how you go to the extreme corners, right, they lose sharpness. So that was not the case over here. Overall picture quality was pretty good. Not just the central area, even if you go to the extreme corners also, there was like good amount of sharpness and overall picture quality was nice. And now coming to the detail, now come on, it's a 1080p native projector. There is nothing less you can expect over here. There's good amount of detail no matter what sort of content you're watching. Contrast levels were fine, and as I've told you, dynamic range on this projector was like very limited. Brightness was definitely there, guys. It was definitely a very bright projector. You're getting around like 3800 lumens, and not in just like dark rooms. Even if you have like slight light sources now, even in like evening sort of situations, you can easily use this projector and see the picture. And talking about the sound, this is like one of the biggest highlights, guys. I have to mention Zebronics definitely gave priority to the sound over the picture. Dolby audio powered speakers on board, and audio quality was like quite impressive, guys. Now they haven't mentioned the wattage of the speakers, but based on my experience, I think it is somewhere around like 5 to 6 watts and is like great for your home purpose. There was good amount of detail, audio clarity was nice. You will fully enjoy the experience no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like web series, movies, or even like YouTube videos, guys. And good thing thing is, it has like a 360 sort of surround sound experience effect. So if you place the projector at a good position in your room, right, it can actually fill the entire room and you would not need any external speakers, guys. This itself is like an all-in-one package. So on the audio segment, I was like very happy and satisfied. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the performance, right? So this projector has like a quad-core CPU on board, paired with 1 GB RAM and 8 GB of onboard storage, and performance of this projector was like on point, guys. Everything was smooth, as you can see on the home screen. Navigation, opening and closing of apps, everything was smooth and responsive, and I didn't face any sort of lags or stutters anywhere. Well, that's it, our review on the new Zepp Pixaplay 18. I love the concept, like the design also, look and feel, everything is definitely premium here. Great specs on paper as well. But unfortunately, during my testing, as you've seen now, picture quality was not up to the mark. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Pixaplay 18 costs around 21,999 rupees. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about the product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.